Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of East Coast Bass Fishing. This evening, well today, after work I picked up, didn't pick up, it came in the mail, my Lucky Tackle Box XL Bass Box here for the month of May. I want to just do an unboxing of this thing and kind of get into it, give you the details about everything it's about and the lures and things of that nature. So let's get right into it here. First things first, we got your golden ticket. Live drawing. What did it say? Join us on the 20th at 6 p.m. LuckyTackleBox.com live. That's what comes in the box. We have the LTB New Bait 2017 Unfair Lures. Stick Minnow, new color from 2017. BY Warx Crawl. Another thing in your box there. Got your sticker. Of course, you got your card with things that are in your box. And let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to start from the bottom this time. So we got the attractant. Free sample here. Bait Mate Fish Attractant. There. Next up, we have the 3/0 grip pin edge 2 count. It's a little simple pack of some hooks there. Next up, we have the 4-inch Warx Crawl 6-pack, and that was on that card I just mentioned a few minutes ago. There's there. Let's go ahead and pop that open and give you a look at that. It's a big crawl. Well, it's not that big, but it's actually nice. Black and blue. See that there? Doesn't really have a scent at all, but definitely can't wait to try these out. Wouldn't like to throw those on mustard hooks here. Match those up with a little Texas rig bullet weight. Next up, the Coontail Worm. Coontail Worm by Big Bite Baits. Open that up. This thing looks, smells kind of like some kind of mint or something. I can't remember what that reminds me of, but check that out. It's almost like a ring fry from Lake Fork. That's actually nice. I like that. Can't wait to try that out. I'll Texas rig that, more than likely. Offset worm hook. Next up is the Kraken Jerk by Lunker Hunt. Kraken Jerk here by Lunker Hunt. Pop that up. Get into this box. There we go. That's nice. Check out the pattern on that thing there. Alright, let's move back, see what it says here. 3.7-inch length, a ½ ounce. Okay. Diving depth 0.65 feet. Not that far at all, which is pretty decent. And it's a floating jerkbait. Very erratic. And this is just the seasick color. I think I can catch some decent bass on this thing. Can't wait to try that out. Probably put it on a medium heavy rod. Well, actually, I'll put it on a medium rod. Yeah. Tie that bad boy on, see what I can do with that. Next up, let's see here. Next up is actually, I kind of went into the box earlier, kind of cheated. I got excited, had a couple hours of fish, and someone told me, let's go ahead and try the BD Buzzbait. Don't have it in the box, I actually have it right here. BD Buzzbait. Chartreuse some white there, a little skirt. It's a nice buzzbait there. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video, a little clip of me catching a bass and actually missing one on this thing with no trailer hook. So, which I should have put one on, I didn't. I just wanted to try it. I got a little excited seeing it in the box. Springtime bassing, you kind of can't pass up a buzzbait late evening bass fishing. So that's what happened. That's why it's not in the box. Alright, and so we have 2 more lures, extra lures that came in the box. They're not on this card. I don't see it on the card anywhere. Stick minnow. Which one is the stick minnow here? Let's see. This is spin bait. Stick minnow. Actually, no, this is not even on here. Not on the box at all. These are just 2 lures that they put in there. Let's check this thing out here. So we got the spy bait. Never tried a spy bait. Never had one. I've always heard things about it. Definitely want to try it out. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's nice. Got your little pearl on the back, one in the front. That's really nice. I can't wait to try that out. It's the realest spy bait. Okay. I'm going to try this bad boy to see what I can do with it. I have to check it out, see how to rig it up and everything. You got your treble hooks in the front and the back. Excellent choice for suspended bass. The bass are striking close to the surface. There it is. And then we also have the unfair lures. That was what I was talking about earlier. New baits. The unfair lures, stick minnow. Stick one here. And then the BY4X crawl was the other package. Look at this thing. This is in the unfair perch color. Go ahead and get this out of the box and get a quick look at this. Check that out, guys. Very nice. Got your little, almost like a gill there. Looks like a real fish. To the other fish, it definitely would, and they would probably tear it up. Another jerk bait. Stick minnow. I can't wait to try that bad boy out. Very, very sticky hooks there. And of course, you have your. I did totally skip over this. This is about your box. You know how to fish these lures and all that good stuff. This is very, very helpful for people that don't know how to fish certain lures. So you got things about the coontail worm here. Let's see what else we got in here. More about the coontail worm, just a different color. About Big Jake's bite. And then we have the Warwick's crawl. Definitely gonna try that out. This is definitely something new. Oh yeah. Social feeds and all kinds of good stuff in this book here. Oh yeah. So guys, that's gonna be it. That's my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you guys enjoyed this small clip at the end of this video of some eventime buzzbait fishing with the B buzzbait. As a matter of fact, let's go over prices right now. The prices for the Kraken jerk bait was $3.99. The BD buzzbait $7.99. The coontail worm 7 count $5.49. The 4-pack Warwick's crawl 6-pack $5.99. The hooks 3-aught grip and pin edge is $6, $5.99. And then you got the sample pack of the bait mate attractant. Then you also have the stick minnow, the last one I showed you, and then this one is actually just an extra lure. This was $8.99 itself. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, this unboxing of the Lucky Tiger box for the month of May. I can't wait to get out there and try these lures out, see what I can catch. Hopefully something big. And guys, we'll catch you guys on the next episode. Well, be sure to stay tuned. Check out this next clip. Peace. I believe it is. I just had a short strike. Come on up out of there and hit this. He's still over there. I know he is. There you go. Oh. Oh, I knew he was in there. Buzz bait. I knew he was in there. I knew it. Man, he gone now. Yeah. About 2.5, 3 maybe. You hit it right here at the shoreline. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, yeah. You want it? I knew he was over there. Say what now? Yeah.